scrutinized the credentials of the nominees, and being satisfied with their performances, experiences, qualifications, and competencies, the committee hereby recommends that the Senate do confirm the nominations of the unlisted persons as chairman and members of the Governing Council of the North Central Development Commission. 1, Barrister Cosmas Akyhir, chairman. Dr. Tsenyil Yilten, managing director. Dauda Shaibu Kibu, member. Zakari Haliru Jikantoro, member. Alhaji Suleiman Baba Ali, member. Reverend Bumi Olusona, member. Dr. Umar Ibrahim Mantu, member. Engineer Atote Abraham, member. Solomon Adodo, member. Honorable Abdul Kadir S. Usman, member. Engineer Habu Maman, member. Engineer Dr. Atinuke Owolabi, member. Rachel Kufri Nse, member. Chief Boniface Izeogu, member. James Abel Uloko, Executive Director. Princess Atika Ajanan, Executive Director, Project. Hajia Bilkis Jimoke Sanin, Executive Director. Hajia Ashetu Ruju Ibrahim, Executive Director. And Mohammed Bashar, Executive Director. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, on behalf of the committee, I wish to most sincerely thank you for giving us the privilege to serve in this committee. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for
portfolios after the approval of the Senate.
Mr. Chairman, what is on the letter? No. Chairman, what is on the letter?
The issues being raised by the minority leader, with due respect, we have already passed that level, if we are to follow our rules. The issue now is to go through, and then if there is any form of amendment, you can come by a motion. A fresh motion on the basis that you want the clarification to be done or regarding the North Central positions in terms of the positions that are to be sent to anybody. Then the motion can be affirmed, and then on the basis of that, the Senate now will communicate with the President that appropriate assignment of positions can be done. But at this point, the issue that you are raising cannot be entertained by the Senate.
former leader, thank you for guiding the Senate.
Yes, sir.
So your objection is overruled. Consider the report of the Committee on North Central Development Commission on the screening of Mr. President's nominees for appointment as chairman, managing director, members, and executive directors of the board of the North Central Development Commission, and approve the nominations of number 1, Cosmas Akyhir, chairman, Tsenyil Yilten, managing director, Dauda Shaibu Kibu, member, Zakaru Haliru Jikantoro. Is it Zakari or Zakaru? Zakari. Is it Zakari or Zakaru? Zakari Haliru Jikantoro, member. Alhaji Suleiman Baba Ali, member. Reverend Bumi Olusona, member. Dr. Umar Ibrahim Mantu, member. Engineer Atose Abraham, member. Solomon Adodo, member. Honorable Abdulkadir S. Usman, member. Engineer Atinuke Owolabi, member. Chief Rachel Kufre Nse, member. Chief Boniface Iziongu, member. James Abel Oloko, Executive Director. Princess Atika Ajana, Executive Director, Projects. Hajia Bilkis Jimoke Sani, Executive Director. Hajia Aishatu Rujui, Executive Director. Rujui Ibrahim, Executive Director. Muhammad Bashar, Executive Director. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Confirmation. Does the Senate confirm the following persons as Chairman, Managing Director, members, and Executive Directors of the Board of the North Central Development Commission? Number 1, Cosmas Akyhir, Chairman. Tsenyil Yilten, Managing Director. Dauda Shaibu Kibbu, member. Zakari Haliru Jikantoro, member. Ali Suleiman Baba Ali, member. Reverend Bumi Olusona, member. Dr. Umar Ibrahim Mantu, member. Engineer Atose Abraham, member. Honorable Abdulkadir S. Usman, member. Engineer Habu Mamman, member. Engineer Atinuke Owolabi, member. Rachel Kufre Insi, member. Chief Boniface Iziongu, member. James Abel Oloko, Executive Director. Princess Atika Ajana, Executive Director, Projects. Hajia Bilkis Jimoke Sani, Executive Director. Hajia Aishatu Rujui Ibrahim, Executive Director. Muhammad Bashar, Executive Director. Those in favor of their confirmation, please say aye. Those again, say nay. The affirmation persons are therefore confirmed, as stated earlier, as Chairman, Managing Director, members, and Executive Directors of the North Central Development Commission. I thank on behalf of the Senate and also commend on behalf of the Senate the chairman of this esteemed committee, distinguished or honorable distinguished Dr. Titus Zam, and your members for a job well done. You've done your job, the work that was assigned to you by this August Senate in a record time. And your report is well structured and well put together. Continue to do your best whenever any assignment is given to you by the Senate. More grace to your elbow. The leader of the Senate.
There's no mood here. Mr. President,